Welcome back to your go-to channel for smart shopping tips and product comparisons. Today, we've got a face-off between two robotic gladiators in the vacuuming arena. On one side, we have the Mopping robot vacuum and mop combo, and on the other, the Lefant M210 Pro robot vacuum cleaner. It's going to be a battle of suction, mopping, and tech-savvy tricks. Let's jump right in. First up, the price tag showdown. Mopping comes in at $196, while Lefant struts in at $209. So if you're looking to save a few bucks for that extra large pizza, Mopping's got your back. But is it worth the dough? Let's find out. All right, cleaning power. Mopping boasts a 1400 PA suction and a 2-in-1 mopping function. It's like having a mini tornado and a mop in one. Lefant, on the other hand, claims a powerful suction with a unique suction mouth design. No roller brush, just pure, unadulterated suction. It's like a vacuuming black hole for pet hair. Reviews from me and Vave highlight its effectiveness on both carpets and hard floors, while Lefant is praised for its exceptional pet hair pickup without the hassle of a brush roll. Next, let's talk about smart features. Mopping offers Smart App and voice control via Google Assistant and has a remote control included. Lefant isn't far behind with its app control and voice commands through Alexa and Google Assistant. Both vacuums support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, but Lefant brags about a faster and more stable connection. Reviewers appreciate Mopping's ease of use with the app and remote, while Lefant is noted for its reliability and stable connectivity. Now, for the obstacle avoidance skills. Mopping boasts advanced 3D precise obstacle avoidance and a slim design to reach every nook and cranny. Lefant counters with its FreeMove 3.0 technology and omnidirectional detection. With its 6D built-in anti-collision sensors, it's like having a tiny, less annoying R2-D2 cleanly your house. Both are pretty slick, but reviews mention Mopping's occasional trouble with thin wires, while Lefant is praised for its efficient navigation around obstacles. Runtime and charging. Because nobody likes a quitter, Mopping offers a solid 100 minutes of runtime and will haul itself back to the charging dock when it's low on juice. Lefant doesn't specify its runtime, but reviews suggest it has a battery life of almost 2 hours. Both vacuums are designed to keep going until the job is done, but Mopping's specified runtime gives it a slight edge in predictability. Cleaning modes. Because variety is the spice of life, Mopping features 4 high-efficiency cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag. Lefant also offers 4 modes: Automatic, Planning, Fixed Point, and Edge. Reviews highlight Mopping's versatility in cleaning modes and Lefant's efficiency in pet hair removal, making both strong contenders in this category. Both products have received positive feedback from users. Mopping is praised for its affordability, versatility, and effectiveness in pet hair removal, while Lefant is noted for its powerful suction, reliability, and exceptional performance in homes with pets. So there you have it, folks. Mopping with its mopping combo and ninja-like agility versus Lefant with its powerful suction and R2-D2 vibes. Both have their strengths and quirks, and it ultimately comes down to what fits your home and lifestyle best. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Are you Team Mopping or Team Lefant? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our next epic showdown. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping. Product links are in the description.